Welcome to Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. Flowers are more than just a holiday treat, their beauty and grace, a sight to behold. In every season, they're a joy to greet. Their colors and scents, a story to be told. They brighten up homes, with a simple vase. Or add a touch of elegance to a space. In weddings, they symbolize love and grace, bringing comfort in times of loss and ache. In gardens, they're a sight for sore eyes. Their petals dancing in the gentle breeze. They're a playground for bees and butterflies. A source of wonder for children to please. In medicine, they offer a healing touch, their extracts used for centuries of old. Their fragrances and oils, a soothing crutch, their intricacies, a marvel to behold. Flowers are an intricate part of life, their presence, a gift to our senses. Their beauty, a balm to all our strife, their intricacies, a source of endless fascinations. 10 top flowers in the USA, their origin and popularity. 1. Rose, are native to Asia, but have been cultivated and hybridized for thousands of years. They have been used as symbols of love, beauty, and war throughout history, and have become a popular flower in the USA for a variety of occasions, including weddings, Valentine's Day, and Mother's Day. 2. Lily, are native to Europe, Asia, and North America. They have been cultivated for their beauty and fragrance for thousands of years and are often associated with purity, innocence, and renewal. Lilies are a popular flower in the USA for Easter and other religious celebrations. 3. Tulip, are native to Central Asia, but were introduced to Europe in the 16th century. They quickly became popular in the Netherlands, where they were cultivated and hybridized, leading to the famous tulip mania of the 17th century. Tulips are a popular flower in the USA for spring gardens and floral arrangements. 4. Sunflower, are native to North and South America and were cultivated by Native American tribes for food and oil. They have been used as symbols of happiness, loyalty, and admiration, and have become a popular flower in the USA for summer gardens and fall decorations. 5. Daffodil, are native to Europe, but have been widely cultivated and naturalized in the USA. They are often associated with the arrival of spring and are a popular flower for Easter and other spring celebrations. 6. Hydrangea, are native to Asia and the Americas and have been cultivated for their showy flowers and foliage for centuries. They have become a popular flower in the USA for summer gardens and floral arrangements. 7. Peony, are native to Asia, Europe, and North America and have been cultivated for their beauty and fragrance for thousands of years. They are often associated with love, prosperity, and good fortune and are a popular flower in the USA for weddings and other special occasions. 8. Iris, are native to Europe, Asia, and North America and have been cultivated for their showy flowers and ornamental foliage for centuries. They are often associated with royalty, wisdom, and valor and are a popular flower in the USA for spring gardens and floral arrangements. 9. Gerbera daisy, are native to South Africa and were introduced to Europe in the 19th century. They have become a popular flower in the USA for their bright colors and long-lasting blooms, and are often used in floral arrangements and bouquets. 10. Carnation, are native to the Mediterranean region, but have been cultivated and hybridized for centuries. They are often associated with love, gratitude, and admiration, and have become a popular flower in the USA for Mother's Day and other special occasions. Overall, these flowers have become popular in the USA due to their beauty, symbolism, and versatility in a variety of settings and occasions. 10 general guidelines for growing each of the flowers on the list. 1. Rose, need well-draining soil, plenty of sunlight, and regular watering. They should be pruned in late winter or early spring to promote new growth and flowering. Roses may also benefit from fertilizer and pest control measures. 2. Lily, need well-draining soil, moderate sunlight, and regular watering. They should be planted in the fall or early spring and may benefit from a layer of mulch to protect the bulbs from extreme temperatures. 3. Tulip, need well-draining soil, plenty of sunlight, and regular watering. They should be planted in the fall and may benefit from a layer of mulch to protect the bulbs from extreme temperatures. 4. Sunflower, need well-draining soil, full sun, and regular watering. They may benefit from fertilizer and support structures to prevent them from toppling over in strong winds. 5. Daffodil, need well-draining soil, moderate sunlight, and regular watering. They should be planted in the fall and may benefit from a layer of mulch to protect the bulbs from extreme temperatures. 6. Hydrangea, need well-draining soil, partial shade, and regular watering. They may benefit from fertilizer and pruning to promote new growth and flowering. 7. Peony, need well-draining soil, full sun to partial shade, and regular watering. They should be planted in the fall and may benefit from fertilizer and pest control measures. 8. Iris, need well-draining soil, plenty of sunlight, and regular watering. They may benefit from fertilizer and pest control measures. 9. Gerbera daisy, need well-draining soil, full sun to partial shade, and regular watering. They may benefit from fertilizer and pest control measures. 10. Carnation, need well-draining soil, full sun to partial shade, and regular watering. They may benefit from fertilizer and pest control measures. In general, the essentials for growing these flowers include good soil, appropriate amounts of sunlight and water, and attention to specific needs such as fertilization, pruning, and pest control. Additionally, some flowers may require specific planting times or environmental conditions, such as the timing of tulip bulbs in the fall or the partial shade requirements of hydrangeas. Gardeners should research the specific needs of each flower and follow best practices for successful cultivation. Here are 10 industries in the USA where people commonly use flowers, regardless of their income level. 1. Weddings and events. Flowers are a staple of weddings and other special events, and the event planning industry relies heavily on florists and flower arrangements. 2. Gift and retail. Flowers are a popular gift for a variety of occasions, and many retail businesses, from small gift shops to large department stores, offer flowers for sale. 3. Restaurants and hospitality. Flowers are often used as decoration in restaurants and hotels to create an inviting atmosphere. 4. Landscaping and gardening. Flowers are a key component of landscaping and gardening, and many homeowners and businesses hire landscapers or gardeners to design and maintain their outdoor spaces. 5. Funeral services. Flowers are commonly used to honor and remember loved ones who have passed away, and the funeral industry relies heavily on florists and flower arrangements. 6. Healthcare. Hospitals and medical facilities often use flowers as a way to brighten up patient rooms and common areas. 7. Photography and media. Flowers are commonly used as props in photography and film, and many photographers and media companies rely on florists to provide arrangements for their shoots. 8. Fashion and beauty. Flowers are often used in fashion and beauty, from floral print clothing to perfumes and cosmetics that incorporate flower scents and extracts. 9. Education and academia. Flowers are commonly used in educational settings, from science classes that study plant life to events such as graduation ceremonies. 10. Corporate events and conferences. Flowers are often used as decoration and gifts at corporate events and conferences, and the event planning industry relies on florists to provide arrangements and gifts. Here are 10 business ideas that revolve around flowers in the USA. 1. A florist is a business that specializes in the design and sale of flower arrangements and bouquets. Florists often provide delivery and event services, such as wedding or funeral arrangements. 2. A garden center is a retail store that sells plants, flowers, and gardening supplies. They may offer a wide range of products, from seeds and soil to outdoor decor and equipment. 3. A landscaping business may incorporate flowers and plants into their services, such as planting and maintaining flower beds and gardens. 4. A wedding and event planner often work with florists to create floral arrangements and decor for events such as weddings, parties, and corporate events. 5. A flower farm is a business that grows and sells flowers for use in floral arrangements and other purposes. 6. A floral wholesaler purchases flowers in bulk and sells them to florists, event planners, and other businesses that use flowers. 7. A flower delivery service is a business that delivers flowers and other gifts, such as chocolates or balloons, to customers for special occasions. 8. An online flower retailer sells flowers and gifts online and delivers them directly to customers. 9. Floral design school teaches students the skills and techniques needed to create floral arrangements and bouquets for personal or professional use. 10. Floral marketing and advertising agency provides branding, marketing, and advertising services to businesses in the floral industry, such as florists and flower farms. There are no major corporations in the USA that specialize solely in flowers. However, there are some large companies that have significant operations in the flower industry. Here are 10 companies with flower-related products or services, along with their CEOs and headquarters locations. 1. 1-800-Flowers.com, Chris McCann, Carl Place, New York. 2. FTD Companies, Charlie Cole, Downers Grove, Illinois. 3. Pro Flowers, Steve Dutton, San Diego, California. 4. BloomNet, Mark Nance, Jacksonville, Florida. 5. Teleflora, Jeff Bennett, Los Angeles, California. 6. The Scott's Miracle Grow Company, Jim Hagedorn, Marysville, Ohio. 7. The Home Depot, Craig Menier, Atlanta, Georgia. 8. Lowe's Companies Incorporated, Marvin Ellison, Mooresville, North Carolina. 9. Amazon.com Incorporated, Andy Jassy, Seattle, Washington. 10. Walmart Incorporated, Doug McMillan, Bentonville, Arkansas. Please note that while these companies may have flower-related products or services, they have diverse product portfolios and are not solely focused on the flower industry. Motivation at Hand, MAH, reminds us of the intricate connection between humans and nature, and the personal use of flowers is a testament to this bond. From the simple joy of a wildflower bouquet to the profound impact of cultivating a garden, flowers allow us to connect with nature in a way that is both tangible and deeply meaningful. As we continue to navigate our complex and ever-changing world, it is important to remember the power of these small but mighty wonders, and the role they play in connecting us to the earth and to one another. By recognizing and embracing the beauty of flowers in our lives, we can find solace, inspiration, and a renewed sense of wonder in the natural world around us. Much appreciation to you for giving of your time with us at Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. We trust you will come back soon.